What's up, everyone? I hope you are well. Really excited to show you Gangsters vs. Zombies, and I wanted to run a brief run-through of this app and Daniel Murray, the original developer, and deconstruct his work, his mentality, and some of his hit apps like Gangsters vs. Zombies, so you can see how he's able to build such successful networks over and over. And the goal of this video isn't to sell anything. I'm not looking for you guys to purchase this code or anything else. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to the code, why it's doing so well, break down some key points, and show you why this developer is able to have successful apps, income, and networks over and over and over again, making a lot of money. So I started talking to Daniel years ago about working on some projects, and believe me when I say this guy has a lot on his plate. He's got tons of app networks out there bringing in tens of thousands of dollars a month, and they help him fund some of his monster projects. So the reason why I wanted to work with Daniel was because basically he's the man. He's an incredibly nice and fun guy to hang out with and work with, but also he has a huge passion for playing games and pays attention to the tiniest details. And more importantly for me, he knows how to pump out revenue generating apps at a low risk. So you can see in Daniel's network here, he's got tons of apps, a majority of which are skins. If you're unfamiliar with skins, skins are apps made from a code template, essentially, where developers swap out resources to test different themes and market trends. Now check out Daniel's network name, Fun, Free Games, and Apps. This is genius ASO, but also defines his audience. These are simple apps made for kids on trendy or niche themes. And if you run through them, you'll see a lot of these apps look similar to one another, and have even hit the top charts, helping bring in loads of money for Daniel. I think in the sales page, let me check real quick, we even mentioned that the Gangsters vs. Zombies code has brought in $46,000 in total revenue. Now this is about a month or two old, so I think it's safe to say that it's brought in over $50,000. So let's check out this code, huh? Let's see. Big Time Gangstar Evil Blood Zombies Degeneration HD full game. Pretty solid title, right? Gangstar is actually a famous rapper. I don't know if Daniel meant to do that or if he just realized that a lot of people are misspelling gangster, so he decided to throw Gangstar in there. Also check out Daniel's screenshots and icon. This is good stuff and easy to mimic. What I like best is the copy and the screenshots. It's easy to read and engaging. I think the #1 reason Daniel's apps dominate so much are because of his ASO skills, specifically the title, icon, and screenshots, which play a big role. What also stands out a lot about the success of this code are the ratings and reviews. I thought these were fake at first, but when I read through them, they feel 100% genuine. Most are positive, talking about why they like the game, its fast shooting, the fun sound effects, the great music, and some of the negatives or problems with removing ads. Keep in mind that negative reviews are just as important as positive reviews. It's great feedback from your customer. Don't take negative reviews as a slap to the face. Hear what the customer has to say and revise your app. So let's check out the gameplay. I'm going to use QuickTime to share my screen with you. It's free and easy to use. This is a Cocos 2D project. Cocos 2D codes are simple to work with. Your developer will use an Apple software called Xcode and have very little problems working with codes like these. This is a little big. Let's see if I can scale it down for you. There you go. That looks better. It also has two targets, excuse me, a light and a pro version. You can see that there is a giant ad that's popped up. That's because I'm running the light target. I'm going to X out of this, but you can see that there's ads integrated here. It also has a low resource count. Again, if you're purchasing a code template and looking to get it into the store and start skinning, keep resources low. This code has 278 resources. That's extremely low, which is great for your graphic artists to keep costs down and for you to work with if it's your first time developing an app or if you're looking to start skinning. I love the popping unlock full game, all characters, new guns, and no more ads up at the top here. Again, Daniel does a great job with graphics. We've got achievements, leaderboards, and I'm going to jump in and push play. Again, one of the things we saw in the reviews is that his sound effects and music is awesome, and they are. I just don't want to show them to take over the video here. So we have multiple characters here. I'm going to select my main dude and start playing. This is called an onboard tutorial. It's just walking through how to play the game. Basically, we're going to tap and shoot these zombies here, and we are off and running. You can see that zombies are popping from multiple locations. All you do is tap where they pop up from, and you start blasting. So I don't know how fun it looks to you, but honestly, these types of games like Crossy Road or Stickman Rush, I love them. They retain me, they keep me going. I've got my score, and I just constantly try to beat it. So you can see I've got some misses here as well. There's 2 X's below me, and if I miss a third time, failed too many misses, they got me. My ad pops up. So I hope you picked up some ASO and gameplay tips from Daniel's network and how he's able to capitalize on some easy strategies to bring in a lot of money. I'm not saying you're going to make $50,000 from the same code like Daniel did, because you're probably not. It takes more than a $100 purchase to reach these plateaus. You need years of ASO experience, launch strategies, or a huge network like Daniel's to have this kind of success, but you can start to build that one, and that's what these types of codes are for. Whether you're looking at our site or somewhere else, keep that in mind, that having a low resource count, something that's easy mechanic, easy gameplay like this code is great for skating, great for developers. Rock and roll, thanks for listening, and let me know if you have any questions. Drop a line or hit a question at support@bluecloudsolutions.com.